Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Today in English, I am going to teach you the chapter The Tailor and His Friend. Children, it's your previous chapter, but today I make this video only for your revision work. It's your previous chapter, but you have to try to understand this chapter very clearly. This is the story of a tailor named Kalu and his friend Appu, an elephant. Kalu used to make colorful pants and shirts for children. Whenever Appu came to his shop, he always used to give him something to eat. One day, Kalu pricked a needle in Appu's trunk playfully. Appu went away in anger. He wants to teach lesson to Kalu. 2 days later, he filled his trunk with water and splashed it everywhere in Kalu's shop, and all the new clothes became wet. Kalu accepted his fault and learned the lesson as they both became good friends again. So children, this is the short summary of the story The Tailor and His Friend. Now I start reading your chapter, so you all of you have to pay attention on this chapter. Kalu the tailor had a shop near the river. नदी के पास कालू दर्जी की एक दुकान थी. कालू वॉज अ टेलर. कालू कौन है यहाँ पे? एक दर्जी. ही मेड कलरफुल पैंट्स एंड शर्ट्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन. वह बच्चों के लिए रंग बिरंगी पैंटें और कमीज़ें बनाता था. अप्पू द एलिफेंट वॉज हिज फ्रेंड. अप्पू जो कि उसका दोस्त है, वो कौन है? एक हाथी. अप्पू केम टू हिज शॉप एवरी डे. अप्पू हर दिन उसकी दुकान पर आता था. कालू गेव हिम मैनी नाइस थिंग्स टू ईट. और कालू उसे खाने के लिए अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें देता था. वन डे कालू वांटेड टू प्ले अ ट्रिक. एक दिन कालू को एक मजाक सूझा, एक मस्ती करने का विचार आया. He did not give anything to eat. उसने अप्पू को खाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं दिया. He took out his needle instead and pricked Appu's trunk. उसने अप्पू को खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं दिया, लेकिन उसने अपनी कपड़े सिलने की जो सुई होती है, नीडल मीन्स सुई, सुई को निकाला और अप्पू की जो ट्रंक है, जो सूंड है, उस पर चुभा दिया. अप्पू रैन अवे इन पेन. अप्पू दर्द में कराहता हुआ वहाँ से भाग गया. जब टेलर ने उसकी ट्रंक पर निडल को चुभाया तो अप्पू को बहुत दर्द हुआ और वो दर्द में कराहता हुआ वहाँ से भाग गया। 2 days later, Appu came down to the river and filled his trunk with water. 2 दिन के बाद अप्पू नदी पर आया और उसने अपनी सूंड को पानी से भर दिया। He reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere. अप्पू कालू की दुकान पर पहुंचा और उसने अपनी सूंड पे जो पानी भर रखा था वो उसकी दुकान पर सब चारों तरफ फेंक दिया। All the new clothes became wet. अब वहाँ पर जितने भी नए कपड़े थे वो सारे के सारे गीले हो गए क्योंकि अप्पू ने पूरी दुकान पर पानी फेंक दिया था। Appu shook his trunk and said, "An elephant never forgets." अप्पू ने अपनी सूंड को हिलाया और कहा, एक हाथी कभी भी कुछ नहीं भूलता। कालू said, "I am sorry अप्पू." कालू ने क्या कहा, मुझे माफ़ कर दो अप्पू। Let's be friends again. चलो हम फिर से दोस्त बन जाते हैं। कालू एंड अप्पू बिकेम गुड फ्रेंड्स। कालू और अप्पू फिर से अच्छे दोस्त बन जाते हैं। So children, in this story, Kalu was a tailor and his friend was an elephant whose name was Appu. Appu and Kalu both are best friends. And Kalu's shop was near the river. He made colorful pants and shirts for the children. Appu came to his shop every day and Kalu gave him many nice things to eat. One day, Kalu wanted to play a trick. He didn't give anything to Appu to eat, but he took out his needle instead and pricked Appu's trunk. Appu was in pain and he ran away. 2 days later, Appu came down to the river and filled his trunk with water. He reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere. Kalu's all new clothes became wet because Appu threw water everywhere in his shop. Appu shook his trunk and said, "An elephant never forgets." Kalu feels sorry and he said, "I am sorry, Appu. Let's be friends again." Now Kalu and Appu became good friends. So children, this is the story, The Tailor and His Friend. In this story, you know Kalu was a tailor and his friend was Appu. They both are best friends. But one day, Kalu wanted to play a trick. He pricked his needle into Appu's trunk and Appu ran away in pain. And 2 days later, Appu came down to the river and filled his trunk with water and reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere. His new clothes became wet. Kalu realized his mistake and he said, "I am sorry, Appu." So children, I hope you like this video and you understand your chapter very clearly. It's your previous chapter, so you have to revise once again for your revision work. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much everyone.